Anti-aging facial cleansers. Whenever you believed skincare products world wasn't crowded, along comes anti-aging facial cleansers. What are these products? Are they fountain of youth in a bottle, or another portion of the hype? For anti-aging facial cleansers, a search reveals some news. Nothing is shown by the list of components, although the name of the products claim they're anti-aging. In fact, it's more the lack of special ingredients that's disturbing. Tangerine oil, shea butter, alpha-hydroxy acids, beta-hydroxy acids, grape seed extract, grapefruit seed extract. Sounds such as the shopping cart list for a skincare item that is good? Here's another problem. Cleansers are expected to do one task, and that's to clean your face. Is there a point in washing with an item comprising the above goodies, simply off a moment later to wash it all? Since the face lotion will be in contact using your skin for majority of the 33, you might be better off investing. For attempting to cash in on the hype with lots of consumers, you can't blame the manufacturers of cleansers. If it does nothing to clean your 18, a cleaner would not be a good product. Look for real cleaning ingredients like cocamidopropyl betaine, sodium cocoamphipropionate, sodium lauryl sulfate, and ammonium lauryl sulfate. Or try an oil-based cleanser that works by binding to dissolving the oils on your face. That's not too alkaline because of the natural pH of skin is slightly acidic. Mark Robbins is a professional on facial cleansers along with other anti-aging products. His opinions on which products work and which do not have made him an extremely respected authority in the field. His passion is to bring useful info to consumers who are shopping in this confusing industry. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.